In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. Transferring money from Cash App to PayPal can be done effectively by linking bank accounts and following these steps. 1. Before initiating the transfer, ensure you have linked your bank accounts to both Cash App and PayPal. So, after that, open the Cash App on your device and tap on the Money tab. Select the Cash Out button. Choose the amount you want to send to your bank account and tap Cash Out. If you set up your bank account and select Standard as the transfer option, and if you linked your bank account's debit card, you can choose Instant, but be aware of the associated fees. Once the money is in your bank account, open the PayPal app. Under your PayPal balance, locate the Add Money option and select it. Choose from your bank or debit card. If you see Transfer instead of Add Money, tap on it and select Add Money from bank or credit card. Select the amount you want to add and then tap Next. Choose the transfer speed. You can opt for 3 to 5 days using the bank account you sent money to you from your Cash App, or select Instant Transfer using the linked debit card. After that, tap Add Now to initiate the transfer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.